Stop saying very all the time. Very beautiful. Angelic. Very noisy. Deafening. Very tired. Exhausted. Very small. Tiny. Very fast. Rapid. Very slow. Sluggish. Very scared. Terrified. Very happy. Ecstatic.
I am rich. I am wealthy. I'm shy. I'm timid. I'm calm. I'm serene. I'm worried. I'm anxious. It's cheap. It's affordable. I'm busy. I'm swamped. It's easy. It's breeze. I'm grateful. I'm appreciative. It's raining heavily. It's pouring. I'm bursting. I need to go the toilet very soon. I'm starving. I'm extremely hungry. I'm stuffed. I've eaten a lot and can't eat any more. I'm great. I'm very good and happy. I'm wrecked. I'm extremely tired. I'm pissed off. I'm angry about something.